Today we're going to take a walk around a 2022 Monterey 298 SS, listed for sale at Grand Sports Center here in Lake in the Hills, Illinois. This is a beautiful super sport model, just 92 hours. You've got twin Mercruiser 250 horsepower engines, dual prop drives. Does have a power folding arch. You've got tower speakers. Beautiful full color sides and hull. Look at that carbon fiber strip accent. Got stainless rubrail, pop-up cleats. Also have a custom triple axle trailer. Custom wheels. C-deck non-slip pads. Moving around to the back of the boat, you see you do have trim tabs. There are those Bravo 3 drives with stainless dual props, all very nice. Look at that beautiful transom. You've got a ski tow eye, drop-down swim ladder. You also have underwater transom lighting. Beautiful exterior. Very classy looking boat. That blue really pops. Got a rear facing bench seat that also lays flat for a full sun pad. Starboard side walk-through entrance. Spacious L-shaped seating. You got a sink on the starboard side there. Beautiful layout. Plenty of room. You've got JL audio speakers throughout. Polished cup holders. Folding walk-through door. You also have a fridge/cooler here in the cockpit. Transom washdown shower. Here are your battery switches. Flip up seat base. Drop down armrests on the driver's seat here. Same with the passenger side. Multiple position backrest here. Make a nice long lounge seat there. You also have an in-floor ski locker. We've got an enclosed head. You've got faux teak flooring. You also have a sink. Great looking helm. You've got a custom wheel. Tilt steering. Nice controls. Fusion remote at the dash. Got your folding walk-through door. Also your folding windshield. Block off the bow. Big open bow seating area. Fill-in cushions. Armrests on either side. JL audio tower speakers. At the helm, we've got a nice flat screen Simrad. We also have a Mercury Smartcraft display. We've got a push-button power engine hatch. Twin 250 horsepower engines. It's a great setup. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 847-458-6488. Like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.